Across Kenya, land degradation and riverbank erosion threaten ecosystems and communities. But in an unexpected place, inside the walls of Maranjau GK Prison, restoration is taking root. Here, bamboo is doing more than healing the environment. It is helping rebuild lives. In 2019, Back to Basics partnered with Maranjau GK Prison with a simple but powerful idea: teach bamboo conservation as both an environmental solution and a rehabilitation tool. What began as awareness training soon became hands-on learning. Inmates and officers worked side by side to build a greenhouse and establish a bamboo nursery, raising thousands of seedlings from scratch. By 2020, the program moved beyond the nursery and into the landscape. Bamboo was planted at the confluence of River Thara and River Saba, areas once vulnerable to erosion. Today, those same bamboo groves stabilize the soil, protect the riverbanks, and restore degraded land within the prison grounds. But the impact goes beyond conservation. Inmates receive structured training in bamboo propagation, nursery management, and environmental stewardship. They learn about different bamboo species, how to raise seedlings, and how to care for plants, practical skills that can support livelihoods after release. In 2024, World Bamboo Day marked another milestone, with new bamboo planted and earlier groves thriving. What started as seedlings in 2019 are now strong stands protecting land and water, living proof of long-term restoration. The vision now is to scale this work, expanding nurseries, introducing bamboo craftsmanship, and building a prison-based bamboo enterprise. The goal is simple but powerful: transform Maranjau GK Prison into a model of bamboo-based rehabilitation where environmental restoration and second chances grow side by side. At Maranjau, bamboo is more than a plant. It is a teacher, a protector of nature, and a symbol of renewal. Because when we restore the land, we also restore hope.